Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that I will be able to inspire someone to go ahead, get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, if you would just take a moment to go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe for me, that would go a really long way. We still have about 90% of the people that watch my channel not subscribed, and we're really on this goal to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. But we're super close to hitting our goal of 500 subscribers by the end of summer. So if you want to be a part of that, that would go a really long way. We need 99 people to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that would be really awesome. But with that said, let's go ahead and get into the video. And today we're talking about my M1 Finance Roth IRA, and we're going to talk about the production that it has produced for us over the last couple of months. And so let's go ahead and get right into it. So as you can see, we've hit a huge milestone in this portfolio, and we hit $8,000. So we're over the $8,000 milestone in this portfolio or Roth IRA, and that is absolutely phenomenal for us. We do still have $3,000 that we need to contribute to this Roth IRA before the April 2022 hits, and so we're excited to go ahead and do that and see where we can take this portfolio. But I just want to let you know, like, I had really considered going ahead and doing M1 Finance's borrow technique, or be a part of that, where you can borrow money to go ahead and contribute to different accounts in your M1 Finance. But unfortunately, they don't allow you to do that with a Roth IRA or IRA, an individual retirement account. And so because of that, I'm just going to have to go out there and grind, work hard, and, contribute to the Roth IRA when I have the money. But I'm not sure what I want to do. I'm, wavering between if I want to go ahead and invest in some individual stocks in this Roth IRA, or if I want to go ahead and continue to invest into the VTI or Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF that we have all of our money invested into. And as you can see, over the time that we've had it in VTI, we've been able to gain $2,106.25, which is a 51% return on investment. We have 36 shares, 36 and a half shares right now at an average price of $166.24, with our cost being $6,065.18. So absolutely phenomenal. As you can see, the current price is $221.02. And there is, a lot to be said about gaining this much money in about a year and a half, from where we started, which was, depositing about $2,900 into this Roth IRA account from Wealthfront. So we went from Wealthfront and deposited this money, and we contributed another $3,000, and from that we have gained $2,100. That's insane money, guys. And also with that is the fact that there is a payment that they go ahead and give us. So in the time that we've had this portfolio, we've gained $107.75 in just dividends. Our market gains are almost $2,000 by themselves. So that is absolutely fantastic. We're excited to see where the rest of this portfolio or Roth IRA will go. As you can see, we had hit all-time lows of $2,135.28. But now we're at $8,063.68. And it's just fantastic to see. So if you would go ahead and smash that like button for me, hit the subscribe. If you have any suggestions for what I should do for this Roth IRA in particular, go ahead and comment down below. But with that said, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.